and about again. On the road, heading to the spot. Fishing with the main man Callum today. See what results we get. We've had a bit of rain, bit of weather. I reckon we can give it a fair shake. I reckon there'll be a fair bit of seaweed out there. Had a lot of onshore winds the last week or so. Hopefully we'll get over top of it, have a few drops, have a few laughs. Let's get out there. Well, we've actually got a bit of rain on the way in. First time I've headed up a track while there's been rain, so good thing is having the cars though, you don't need to get anything wet. Wait for it to pass and send your baits. Should be all cleared by the time we get there, hopefully. Oh, there's a bunny. You get out of the way, Buns. Wow, we've come out and we're getting heavy rain. It's supposed to be zero rain. Oh, hopefully it blows over in a couple of minutes. Jeez, not a good start. Oh, I'm into weeds straight away. Really? Yep. I was supposed to be out there. I'm over here. There is lots of weed in the water. It's not terrible, but it's pretty bad. So how much line? Probably got 500 or 600 on. Hopefully then I won't drag any of your lines, so. Yeah, you're on the left there. I can see where your seaweed's hitting the water. Yeah, you do. I can see it. Yep. To the left of me and further out. Yep. You're in that patch right there. Oh, I am in Weed City, mate. I can feel it all the way up the line. Oh yeah. Take it, buddy. You want to see what you are? Well, that was very lucky indeed. We're heading into the bite time anyway. Well, I can't believe I got all that back. Oh yes! Yep, you're on. I'm calling a 56. Legal.
We need some more snapper at home.
How you feeling with that reel? Struggle town or okay? That's what you do though, you just take it easy and just do it with whatever, you don't have to skull drag it.
There's something there.
There's something there. I think it's a baby dog. Can't see nothing. Oh, Nat, you're off.
Oh.
That's all right. Mindful of mine going off as well. That looked really promising. Yeah, he's still there.
Stop talking to him, catch him.
I know, right? I don't have any clicker on mine anymore. I've replaced it 3 times. So yeah, I just want to get a go, so but. Oh!
Oh yes.
We're onto something. Yes, please. This feels like a baby. Oh, no, maybe a little bit bigger. Right when I got the drone down, you've called it. Yeah, and you do go to rodeos. Oh, he's trying to get me into a bloody reef. He's got me again. Get up, that's it. You beauty. Head shakes as well. Positive. Not getting the head shakes anymore. Yeah, they get tired. Didn't get the run though, eh? Just bit. Didn't really want to go for a run. He was trying to pull me down, so it felt like a dewy. Might just be seaweed, eh? It is. I've lost him. He came off. Oh no, he's there. His size? Oh yeah, great. It's about a 50 something. Yeah, you! You beauty. Off the Aeroo, baby. That'll be a 50. Yeah. I think that's what you had on before as well. 51.
51.
Still a good panny. There he is. Little one. You beauty. We're on again. This is number 2 now. Oh, you just got a nib on the other one. It's all popping off late. First pinky. Let's go. This is number 2. Oh yes. He's breaching. Oh, it's a good one. Woo! Oh, monster! Woo! Look at that! Yeah! Look at this horse! That's a beast. Look how fat he is.
Well done, baby. You got your first one.
Didn't do much work.
You did enough.
You said hooks.
That's just under 80.
Oh no, I'll give him.
You can have 80 on the dot.
80 on the door.
Yep. Look at that. Wow! That is an absolute perler. Well done. First ever. Huh. Woo! Wow. Big boy, and they're about to get one more. Great session in the end. Now that is what we call a great short session. Big thanks to Callum and Nat for coming out. We'll see you next time. You.